Good morning! Here comes Milo! What a happy day to play! Blocks go up, cars go zoom. Milo feels bored. Oh, what is that? A shiny red button? Glowing on the wall. Walks closer. He tilts his head and smiles. Left, right. Shh! Is anyone watching, Milo? Press it or not. Milo's finger is shaking. Wow, Milo imagines. Dancing animals, confetti everywhere. So much fun.
Tap. Oh, sparkles, magic. Something amazing is happening. Boing, a puppy appears. Dance, dance, woof, woof. Swing, hop, quack, quack. Monkey, bunny, duck, everyone joins. Milo laughs and dances. Jump, spin, yay! Best dance party ever. Oops, the button again. Hats, colors, silly costumes. Haha! Pop, pop, pop. Animals in, animals out. So funny, so silly. Oh, too many friends. The room is getting full. Huh? What now? Milo looks worried. Woof! Ooh, ooh! The puppy and monkey argue. Just being silly. Clap, clap. Easy, friends, says Milo. Slowly, carefully, Milo presses the button one last time. Wave goodbye. Thank you, friends. Whoosh, back you go. All clean, all calm.
Yay! All better now!
Milo smiles. He did it. The button fades away. Quiet music fills the room. Hee hee, bye-bye. See you next time.
Enjoyed Milo's magical adventure? Subscribe to Spark Stream 8 for more delightful stories and joyful surprises.